Garbage trucks, eh?
No, recycle.
Recycle?
Yeah, I saw the advertisement.
Yeah. Cool.
It says that the truck is recycled.
Yeah. That's good. Hey, the snow's still up on the mountain.
I see, said one man. No, you don't, said a deaf man.
So you had to catch up on some work, that's why you had to stay after school?
Homework.
Yeah.